Hey again. First thing that I want to do is I want to upload user images to Firebase, and I take the URL and I save it in the MySQL database, just place for hosting. So to upload images to Firebase, I have to be authenticated. You know, in the Firebase, if you go to authentication, you have different type of authentication. One of them, email, we discussed before. I want to use this time Anonymous, so I will make it enable. Anonymous means user could log in just by register his app in the Firebase. So how I could register this app in Firebase using Anonymous? So the process really easy and straightforward. If I just go here, let me just take this one over, go to Tools, Firebase, and make sure here to go to authentication. Then I add to the app. He will add 10.11. Bum. Then really easy steps. So first of all, just let's wait for some time until he will add all the libraries that he needs. Then we will start. Just get instance, and after get instance, initialize it. Then we will call the authentication. So to do that process, I will say val. This val I will name it mauth, and this one should be part of from Firebase authentication. So wait for some time until you will be able to do autocomplete for this feature, so we would be able to use it. I would say seconds, and boom, I think now I will be able to use it. Firebase, pum. Okay, Firebase, control space, hopefully, Firebase authentication, and for initial value I will not give it anything, just null. And when I want to use it, first of all I just initialize this, so my auth will be equal to Firebase authentication dot get instance. So I'm just initialize it. So to do sign in, I will do sign in anonymous. So I define function. I say sign in anonymous, ANONYMOUSLY. It's just long name. Anonymous. Hopefully I did the correct name. If not, let me just correct it. So this one have to be called automatically whenever the person, when the person like want to do call this method, but this one cannot be initialized because it's val, so make it var. So yes, create variable, initialize it, call sign in anonymous. So now I do the sign in, so just I say authentication, and because it is nullable, so 2:, then I say sign in anonymous, then I say dot add on a click on complete listener. I pass 2 parameters, this and the second parameter should be the task that I want to run it, and boom, go down. So what I will do, I say log to this way, log, hopefully I could use the logs, enter, to d, I show login info, then I would display here task dot is success or is successful. So if it's successful, he will show me login true. If he is not, he show me login false. So it's successful. Let me say dot to string, so just to avoid any error. So really easy and straightforward process. Just register, sign in anonymous without any information. He will register this user in the database. So to show the data, I just will run it and see the result. But before that, make sure to go to the main phase of the application and make sure to add use internet service, otherwise it will not work. So user permission, I want to use the internet because I want to use the internet service. So now, yes, everything ready. Just run it again and wait for some times. There we go. After a while I see this screen. So if I just do lookat to make sure the data is displayed when I click login, you have to take me to the, okay, he give me this error. This error means there is a problem in this bold version. I know that they have a problem here, so I would use the version stable version, which is 10.2.0. if you get that error, I don't know if you was able to see the error. So make sure first of all stop the app, clean the project. After clean the project, rebuild it again and push it to the device, because that version is not stable now, so he give you that error with authentication. To avoid it, use a previous version and we should be safe. So after a while, when he complete, I just click run and wait for some time. There you go. After a while, if I just click back again, hopefully I will not see that error again. Boom, I don't see it. Hopefully now everything is fine and I see all the data in the way that I wanted. So to make sure like everything fine, just I will go to the Firebase, sign in. I have to see the new user, and here you go. Yes, we just sign in a new minute. See, he also give me user ID. I could do the listening way, that listening on this the way that we did listening. If you remember, I could listen to this one and read that UID and that, but I don't want to read it. I just want to register the app to be able to upload images. So here we done. Thanks for watching. See you next.